Buy these now because these will go up in price very, very soon.
Perfect.
Hello there broskies, Erkin here, back again. And this is the first time I've ever paid resale for a pair of sneakers. And this isn't the one I actually thought it would be. But on today's episode broskies, I am actually reviewing the Nike Air Jordan 1 High OG Vault Gold. Right, first things first, we are going to have a little look at the box like we always do on this channel. And it is your normal Nike Jordan 1 OG high box. Red, black, nothing really spectacular, but it will do. It will do. Opening it up, and of course, we've just got the trainers and the spare laces. But I've kind of been a bit busy already. They're the spare laces, and this is not how they come, but I'm just going to show you why. In uno momento, por favor. I have obviously had to record the B-roll, so I thought I'd mix it up and showcase both of the laces on each foot. So on the right foot, we of course have the sort of sail laces, I'm gonna say, and it does contrast well with the midsole because they are very similar color. But then again, we have the black laces, and they obviously go with the overlays towards the toe and the eyelets. Personally, the black laces really do bang, I'm not gonna lie. It gives it a bit more life, you know? Now the official name to this sneaker is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, and the colorway is called White, Black and Vault. Now I know some of you are probably thinking, why on earth did you pay resale for these sneakers? And I was kind of thinking that too. These are going to be like a fine wine. They are going to age better with time, in my opinion. And as we gradually get to those hotter months, these are really going to shoot up in price. Because if you think about it, most of the high OGs, the lighter colors anyway, their resale prices are already sky high. So the next best thing is those lower price high OGs or even the mids. So I actually got these for £175, and these do retail at £140 in the UK. So for me, it wasn't really too bad. It was on eBay, funnily enough. I was looking at StockX and Go, and I was like, nah, they're about £190, £200 there. And eBay is a risky affair, don't get me wrong. But if you know what you're looking for, if you trust the seller, if their ratings are good, then you can actually get a bargain on eBay. And if you're not sure about buying trainers online, I would say check out the CheckCheck app. And if you do want to get a free legit check, use my code Broski. I will leave the link down below. Just in case you're a bit weary when you're buying trainers, you never know nowadays. So as soon as you sign up, just use my referral code. I get a free check, you get a free check. So you scratch my back, I scratch yours. But it's pretty easy, just sign up, follow the steps when you're doing the check, and Bob's your uncle, it is good to go. And this is not a sponsored video, they didn't pay me to say it, it's just a very cool app in my opinion. So having a look around this Vault Gold Jordan 1, it's one of those Marmite type sneakers. You either really like it or you don't. And having these in hand and even on foot, they just look so much better. Now there are so many differences on this sneaker compared to some of the other high OGs. In particular, the flaps near the laces are very loose. You have to tie them down yourself when lacing these, which I found a bit out of the ordinary. Now the color blocking towards the front side of the sneaker is very generic. It is of course white with black in those leather panels. The toe box kind of has that plasticky feel, and do you know what? It's actually alright to be honest. The mid panels on this sneaker do feel a lot better in terms of build quality. Now this tongue has that sort of sail colorway as well, and it has the Vault stitching. Now Nike have actually opted to switch around the tab. So the Nike Air branding is actually at the back of it, and that Nike jargon is actually at the front. I'll be honest, it's not one of the things I wanted to see. I love that little Nike Air tongue tag at the front, but it's not really a deal breaker for me anyways. Now inside we've got that black mesh, which is actually a very nice comfortable fit on foot, and on the insole it is white with that Vault Nike Air branding. This is the thing, when I saw it in person I was like, why did they do this, bruh? At first glance and even in pictures you would never be able to tell, but at the back right at the collar it's got that sort of exposed foam. And the reason I'm complaining is just because trying to keep these clean is gonna be a mission in itself. Imagine this was white leather, just that panel there. Imagine, just imagine, these would look so much better. Over time is when we're really going to be able to tell how they hold up. But in terms of keeping the dirt off it, I would advise get one of those protective sprays. Now of course we've got these leather panels at the back in that Volt and black outlining. And this is the colour that I think put a lot of people off. I didn't really like it at first. I was like, nah, I'm definitely going to pass on these. But seeing more pictures and videos, I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. These actually do go. The gold really does. The gold? The gold. That's a new word. Hold on. Gold. Golden volts. Gold. Nike, if you take that, cut me the check, please. Get it? Check. Nike check. Nike check. Money check. Don't know why I bother. But the gold and the Volt really do go. It's actually funny. You would never pit these colours against each other. Now the Volt panels actually count as straps, so they are very loose if you don't tie them down. Now the midsole is in that cell colour and a lot of people aren't digging it either. For me, I actually like it. It gives it that sort of vintage look to it. And finishing off on the outsole, it is in that black colorway. Now I'm telling you broskis, if you're thinking about buying these sneakers just to wear for yourself, buy these now because these will go up in price very, very soon. I've been keeping my eye on it and it's fluctuating around that £200 mark. So if you don't act quick, trust me, the resale prices will be shooting up. So that's why I weren't really hesitant in paying that extra 35 quid. And even if you're buying these for resale, it's still a very good investment in my opinion. Now in terms of sizing, this fits very traditional to the Jordan 1, so my advice is stick to your normal sizing. A true to size fit is what I've found on every Air Jordan 1 I have tried on. But my broskis, the segment you have all been waiting for. And it wouldn't be one of my videos without it. Is this Air Jordan 1 High OG Volt Gold a buy or a buy? Now I do sound like a broken record, I'm not gonna lie, but I need you to know this. I need you to see what I see. A lot of my favorite Jordan 1s always have that black toe to it, and the white panels on the toe box for me just gives it more of a vintage look. So I'm always going to be drawn to Jordan 1s with the black toes. But where things I think will sway you either way is of course the Volt, the gold, and even that exposed foam at the tongue and of course the collar. For me, I'm very disappointed to see that foam at the back on the collar. Now I can still resell these and I am going to sit on them for a little bit, but most likely I'm going to wear these. But overall it is very much still a high OG Air Jordan 1. And if you don't act fast broskis, believe me, these prices will shoot up. But I'm loving this sneaker. It's very different to what's out there and it can swing you either way. So my answer is of course a buy. Now broskis, leave it down below what your thoughts are on this Volt Gold Air Jordan 1. Did you manage to cop a pair at retail? Are you looking to pay resale for this? Or is this a complete miss? Leave all of that down below and I will be pinning the best one. Anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting as always. Hit me up on the IG as well. I try to post previews to upcoming videos, so you might want to keep an eye out. But until next time broskis, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And of course, until the next episode, take care.